Kerala mango curry is a sweet and spicy delight made with ripe mangoes, simple spices, and luscious creamy coconut. This delightful concoction may seem unconventional for a curry, but the result is absolutely mesmerizing. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Today, before we get started, please like the video and leave a comment letting us know where you're watching from. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. A subscribe would be greatly appreciated, and don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified of our future culinary adventures. To start, we'll be using 4 large ripe Kizar mangoes. You can substitute with any other variety, and if you prefer a less sweet dish, opt for half-ripe mangoes. Begin by slicing off both sides of the mango, leaving the middle intact. Use a large serving spoon to scoop out the mango flesh and cut it into medium tikka-sized bites. Look at that glorious golden flesh. We'll also be using the mango seed with some flesh attached. No wastage here. Every bit adds to the flavor. In a medium heated pan, add a 1/4 cup of oil. Toss in 1 finely chopped onion and fry until it turns translucent and just begins to develop a golden hue. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. When the onions are 90% done, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 green slit chilies, and about 10 fragrant curry leaves. Fry these together with the onions for about 2 minutes, ensuring the onions don't burn, but take on a beautiful rich color. Next, add our simple but powerful spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Fry these until they meld together and the vibrant red and yellow hues shine through. Now it's time to add 200 grams of coconut cream, which we've melted with 1/2 cup of water in the microwave. While you can use a saucepan, a microwave is wonderfully convenient. Mix the coconut cream into the spices, keeping the heat on low to medium. Gradually add 1 cup of water, a little at a time, adjusting to your preferred thickness. Remember, the mangoes will also release their delightful juices. Once you're happy with the consistency, gently slide in our cut mangoes. Look at how delectable they appear. It's a wonder I didn't nibble them all while preparing the dish. Stir the mangoes gently, ensuring they don't get crushed. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, and lower the heat to a simmer for 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Our dish is coming together beautifully, but we're not done yet. It's time to elevate it with the tadka. In a small, high-heated pan, dry roast a teaspoon of black mustard seeds until they start popping. Add 4 tablespoons of oil, 5 dried red chilies, and about 15 curry leaves. Give it a quick mix and immediately add this sizzling mixture to our curry. The aroma is divine. To finish, we add the ultimate great green garnish, fresh coriander. It adds a burst of green freshness that's visually stunning and enhances the flavor beautifully. Let's tidy up the edges of our pan. It's time for the money shot. This dish is pure comfort food. It's sweet, spicy, and an absolute delight. Even the kids will adore it, and it's a perfect summer dish. I'll be serving this with some freshly made rice, but you can also pair it with naan or, for a special treat, some puris. Thank you for joining me once again. I hope you're enjoying our recipes. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. Happy cooking!